young man's game.
I came here because of you. And now you're just gonna turn around and say, that's it? You're finished?
Everything you see in here's gotta go. If it's not supporting something, rip it down.
She can't do any more chemotherapy. What do I have to pay?
$400,000.
Start talking. Where's the money now?
Carraway Hospital.
This place is gonna be toast at 5. Are you sure you got the right building?
What was I supposed to do? The longer they take, the less time we have.
The only thing I care about is $3 million in a building that's going to be dust inside 3 hours.
Hey, man, you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Come on, guys. You want to get left here and get blown up?
Follow the guard. Find the money. Circle the building. Nobody gets out.
Tell us where the money is.
Take it easy, cowboy. Where's the money?
I got him.
How about a heads up? Next time you're gonna do something stupid.